Oh God, please let it stop. It's gonna be in a house in a few minutes, Faye.
When the wind stopped blowing, thought we'd make.
Look at me, Ha! Ha! Oh God, I can't believe this. Stay, CJ.
Yeah, when the wind stopped blowing,
She's trying to get on the table and can't.
thought I'd be home rising sun. Then the waters came on in, man, it changed everything.
A few bad mistakes in my life, but this has got to be the biggest mistake that I can make. This is 24, 34, married life with the place. I made a mistake trying to stay here. I'll never forget it. Me and my wife survived, but only by God's will we survived.
When you first came back on in, seen one house, you know you seen them all. When you first came back on in, below the line, you know you took a fall. Cause when the water came on in, man, it changed everything in just that moment in time. And license plates from different states, cowboys with their big old trucks, getting paid by the pound. They come from out of town, haul your life away. And now my life's in bits and pieces, pictures of my nieces in a big old pile on West End Boulevard. That's when my life fell below the waterline. That's when my life fell below the waterline. And when the water came on in, didn't leave me a thing but trouble on my mind. Now we're trying to figure out what's the right road to take from here. Yeah, we're always thinking about what will life be like here in a couple of years. Cause when the water came on in, man, it changed everything in just that moment in time. My whole neighborhood is quiet now. You can't hear the children's sound. Trucks still rolling, kicking up sheetrock dust. Should I go or should I stay? Man, you hear the talk every day.
Why don't you come along with me to the Mississippi? We'll take a boat to the land of dreams and steam down the river and down in New Orleans. You know the band's there to meet us. Old friends to greet us. Where all the light and dark folk meet, away down yonder, down on Basin Street. Let me tell you about that Basin Street. It's a street where the Eli always meet. In New Orleans, land of dreams, You'll never know how nice it seems or just how much it really means. Glad to be, yes sirree, where welcome's free and dear to me. That's why I can lose these Basin Street blues. Street, it's a street where the Eli always meet. In New Orleans, land of dreams, you'll never know how nice it seems or just how much it really means. I'm glad to be, yes sirree, where comes free and dear to me. That's why I can lose these Basin Street blues.